Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel The Axe Beauty. Well, in today's video I've created this look for Diwali. I hope you guys will enjoy it and make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and please do share this video amongst your friends, family and do let me know how you recreated this look. Well, the first step is to prep your skin for makeup. That's what I'm doing. I'm using the Color Bar Rose Gold oil, taking few drops of it and just applying it for prepping my skin for the foundation. The foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. Just will take few drops of it on my hands and then blend it into my skin with the help of a beauty blender. It's not important that you should have a beauty blender or a brush. You can use your fingers. The fingers are the best tool to apply any kind of makeup. Making sure that I'm blending the foundation really well into my skin. Concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Just applying to the under eye dark circles and the areas which require concealing. It's totally up to you if you want to use a concealer. If you have a natural flawless skin which just requires a little bit of foundation, then much more good to it. You can just skip the entire step of applying a concealer. For me, I have a lot of dark circles. That's the reason a must use of concealer. For setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Just pressing the powder onto the areas where I have applied the concealer. For eyeshadow, I wanted to keep it really simple. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Melted Matte Eyeshadow. The thing about this eyeshadow is that you'll have to use this eyeshadow really quick, that you have to apply the eyeshadow and blend it really quick as it turns from liquid to powder in a really quick formation. And I just wanted to keep this look really simple that anyone and everyone can do it. That's the reason I'm using a very basic eyeshadow. If you do not have a Huda Beauty Melted Matte, no issues. There are substitutes to it. You can try the Swiss Beauty, you can try the L'Oreal. There are many substitutes to the Huda Beauty Melted Matte. So after applying the matte shade, I'm going with the glittery shade from the same eyeshadow. I think this is the Bubblegum. So I'm doing this. I'm just applying the shimmery color onto my eyelid and then just blending it with the help of the brush that comes along with the eyeshadow. Eyeliner, I'm using the Colossal eyeliner. It is a really affordable and a really pigmented liner. For all the beginners out there, just invest in this eyeliner and for months you are sorted. So just making a regular line of liner with the help of Colossal Maybelline liner. I'm going with the L'Oreal Volume Lashes Mascara. Just applying a regular coat of mascara both to my lower and upper lashes. Same shade from the Melted Matte Huda Beauty, applying it to the lower lashes and just blending it with an eyeshadow brush. It just gives a pop of color to your lower lash line as well. It looks really pretty. Just try it and you'll see the difference. Then applying the regular mascara on top of it. For kajal, I'm using the Nykaa kajal. I'm going to just line a thin line of kajal as if right now. That's what I'm doing. Just lining a thin line of kajal onto my waterline. Now I'm just filling in my brows, a basic filling of brows. Brow filling is really important. It can change the whole look. Your makeup will look so much well defined. If any of you hasn't tried brow filling till date, please give it a try. Invest in a very minimal Wet n Wild brow filler, but do give it a try. For bronzer, I'm using the Essence bronzer. Just going to do a regular contouring, nothing heavy, a basic contour, as it is going to be night time. So that's the reason I am doing more of cold eye makeup and basic face makeup. Moving on, for the blush, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. Just applying it to the apples of my cheeks and blending it really well. For lipstick, I am using the L'Oreal Signature Rouge. Once I'm done with applying the lipstick, I'm going to use Better Than Gold highlighting palette and use a highlighting brush and then apply it to my cheekbones, onto my nose, bridge of the nose. Highlighting on festivals just adds to that glitter and glamour and the lights that will be all around. So yeah, Diwali is a festival of lights, so a little bit highlighter on your face will also match with it. Well, now again I'm taking the Nykaa Kajal and I'm going to make a thick line of Kajal and then smudge it with my eyeshadow brush so that all the unevenness edges just blends it. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm finishing the look with applying a pink bindi. I think all Indian looks and attires for me are incomplete if you do not apply a bindi. I love personally wearing bindi. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. Please make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.